Every day, we navigate a digital world where anything is possible. But these possibilities also give criminals new opportunities to make money at our expense. This is why we have created F-Secure Total, a cybersecurity package that gives you all the protection you need for yourself, your family, and every device in your home. Let 30 years of online security experience protect you from viruses in real time, without slowing down your computer or draining your battery. Total protects your money and web browsing by detecting if a website you visit is malicious, so you won't be scammed out of your online banking credentials. An extra shield is also activated during online banking to prevent anyone from spying on you or stealing your money. Information about what you do online is worth more money than you think. Total uses VPN technology to prevent anyone from spying on your internet connection or even know the address or location of your device. Total also protects you from identity theft, letting you know if a service you use is hacked and your personal information stolen. To make using online services easier and more secure, Total also stores your passwords and lets you access them on any device. Get all this for yourself, your devices, and your entire family with one easy subscription. Get F-Secure Total now.